Here we're gonna do push-ups, and what I really want to emphasize on these push-ups is that push-ups is considered oftentimes like a shoulder and chest workout, but I consider it a full body workout. And you can actually utilize push-ups to build your six-pack, to strengthen your back, to build your legs and your butt. So the way that we do this is when we're doing push-ups, we're squeezing everything and being very intentional. So a couple main points are, with the core, we want to not let it hang out, but we want to cinch it up and like make it like hollow body. And then when we're also pulling down doing the push-up, we want to squeeze our back muscles together like this, like that, okay? And then the other part is the legs are going to be super strong and sturdy. So the more muscles we recruit, the more calories we're burning, the more muscle we are building, and then that muscle is actually burning calories while we sleep. So that's why I love doing push-ups, because it can be a full body workout. Here's what it looks like. Hands underneath the shoulders. And again, pull the core nice and tight. The butt, we're gonna squeeze the butt and the legs, and then we pull ourselves down. Don't let gravity do it. And then push up and pull down, squeezing everything. And pull. Now if you want to make it a little easier, widen your legs out, and same thing. Now if you want to make it even easier, you can go on your knees, and when we're doing this, we want to, same thing, squeeze all the muscles.